How many moons does Jupiter have? As of now, we know 79. So let's imagine for this video, Earth has all 79 moons of Jupiter. So what could happen? It depends on how far the moons are from Earth. In most cases, there will be an unstable balance between Earth and the moons and between the moons themselves. So there will be destruction, aka collisions. And with collisions happening, the debris could fall onto Earth, and that will be devastating for all of us. What's another thing that could happen? You would see crazy amounts of lights in the sky, moons everywhere. Especially at night, the sky might be much brighter than normal. So if you thought our moon in the night sky was amazing, imagine seeing dozens of them, all differently sized lights in the sky. Another thing known as tidal heating will occur, which is what happens when something like a moon orbits its planet. The orbital energy can transfer to heat in the planet, which will result in an increase in geologic activity. This may cause more tectonic movements beneath Earth's surface, more volcanoes to erupt, and more earthquakes to occur. All of these caused by heat, caused by tidal heating, caused by having too many moons. So that's bad. No one wants Earth to have higher geologic activities. And finally, we could see lots of solar eclipses happening. You know, when the moon gets in front of the sun and blocking out all the sunlight on Earth. Except this time, we may not get a full solar eclipse, but who knows? All I can say is that the odds of one of the moons being directly between someone's eyes and the sun will be high. I intentionally wanted to make this video short and sweet, so I hope you enjoyed this style and learned something interesting. Take care and see you in the next one.